Is mic working? Wish Skittles would sponsor me. I really hope these mics are working, as if not, this whole video is a wrap. Guess we'll find out. Get you some Skittles. Welcome to part 2 of the Rugged Razor Suppressor for dedicated 5.56. Today I'm going to show you 2 different angles, downrange, uprange, without a suppressor, with a suppressor. I don't have a decimal reader at this time, and recording doesn't give it the best reading, but you can definitely tell a difference. And the amount of gas that you get back from this can to the user, 0. It's impressive. It's crazy. Let's get into it. All right, so without the suppressor, so it's just their brake. See how loud it is. I'm gonna do 5 shots total. I'm gonna do 3 in the dirt and 2 on steel. There's a school bus. We should probably not shoot anymore. Let's wait for the school bus to go by. Hi, kids. Guns are good. Oh boy. It's a little spicy. Now let's put the can on. So we got the suppressor on now. You're going to be able to hear a big difference. We're going to do 6 shots total. 3 in the dirt, 3 on steel. Hear a huge difference. It's crazy. You got to get you one. We got 2 left. Let's go steel, steel. Missed first shot. It's YouTube though. Got to be transparent, right? All right. Should you get one? Yes, if you can afford it. It's in the middle price range. We're not going to talk prices. It varies. It's definitely worth its weight in value. It's better than my Rebel suppressor that I have, and I'm going to compare it to a Yankee Hill Turbo and also an AAC. That's in another video coming up. I'm also going to do a night video showing the flash hider. See how well that does. First round pop, all that oxygen releasing. So yeah, Spectre out.